Ah, that's a horse.
No.
It's a horse? No?
Whoa! He's starting again. Look, Mom, it wants some more food. It's following us. I got. This is my first time.
Dog. One day. And it's a beautiful dog.